everybody, my name is Riley and today we are cooking some cookies on the Arteflame grill. Okay, so now I'm going to put some cookies on, and the cookies are white chunk macadamia nut, and we also have other cookies. Okay. Cookies on the Arteflame are going to be good. We got two kinds of different kinds of cookies. For me and Joe. So candy cookies. They look like M&M cookies. Oh, there's two. Oh, also, the other ones look like this. You probably already know what it is. We'll wait for these to cook. And then we'll put the other cookies on.
All right, so what's that thing gonna do, right?
It's gonna help the cookies cook.
Kind of make it like an oven?
Yeah.
All right. Put it on a group of them.
Okay.
Okay, those guys look like, well, they're pretty crispy, so let's...
Yeah.
There you go.
These were the cookies.
There you go, you can do two at a time. Those two. There you go. All right, how are these looking? Let's get those guys off too.
Okay.
Use the other one. Push them. There you go.
They're a little charred on the bottom.
A little charred.
Yeah.
You can push them right off if you want. Oh yeah. There you go.
And
all right. How are we doing with those? Can we get those off early?
sure.
Okay.
So it's not as charred as the other one.
All right. And should we? How is this one looking? You think?
We could get them.
Get those guys off too. Okay. And there's frozen cookies on the Arteflame. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's just like an oven but outside.
Yes, just like an oven but outside. All right. Let's take these in. And should we share these with Mommy and your brother? We should? Maybe? All right. We'll share them. Thanks for joining. Good cook, Rye. Do you want to tell the people your Instagram channel? ririmac.cooks on Instagram, right? More to come?
Yes,
Go check it out.